Welcome to Beautyistic, where we believe healthy smiles are just as important as glowing skin. Today, we're talking about something that many of us overlook in our beauty routines: oral care. But what if I told you that your oral health could be just as game-changing as your skincare? Enter the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens, moderate, interdental brushes, designed to elevate your dental hygiene and support overall well-being. If you're tired of using floss and struggling to reach those hard-to-get places between your teeth, you're not alone. A lot of people face this challenge, and today, I'm going to walk you through how these interdental brushes might be the solution you've been searching for. And before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an honest review from me. Now, let's get into it. The GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are a set of interdental brushes designed to clean between teeth that are moderately spaced. Unlike flossing, which can sometimes miss those tricky areas, these brushes feature soft bristles that gently slide into those gaps and remove plaque that regular brushing might leave behind. What I love about this is that it's a non-invasive, easy-to-use alternative to traditional flossing. These brushes come in a set of 15, which makes them a great option for on-the-go convenience. They're compact, travel-friendly, and come with a protective cap that keeps everything hygienic. Whether you're heading to work, going on a trip, or just running errands, you can easily carry these brushes with you and use them whenever needed. The moderate size is designed for people with moderately spaced teeth, which is perfect if you find that standard brushes or floss don't quite get in between those spaces. There are other variations available, like ultra tight, tight, and wide, so you can choose the best fit for your dental needs. But let's talk about how they perform. When I first tried these, I was impressed with how easily they fit into my routine. The soft bristles gently slide between my teeth, providing a satisfying clean. Unlike regular floss, I don't have to worry about it breaking or getting stuck, and it's a lot quicker, especially when I'm in a rush. The brush head is small enough to navigate around braces or other dental devices, so if you wear braces, implants, or any kind of appliance, these will work wonders without causing damage or discomfort. I also appreciate the nylon-coated wire, which prevents scratching or damaging your dental work. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the plus side, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are incredibly easy to use, even for those of us who might not be flossing experts. The fact that they're compact and reusable makes them perfect for anyone constantly on the move, and they last up to 10 days with proper care. Plus, they're designed to clean around dental devices, like braces, which is something many similar products don't always offer. The downside? They may not be the best option for people with very tight spaces between their teeth. If that's you, you might want to try the ultra-tight version, but it's something to consider. Additionally, while these brushes are reusable, they're still a single-use item, so after a certain number of uses, you'll need to replace them. As for value for money, I think these are reasonably priced for the quality and convenience they offer. The GUM brand is well known for creating innovative oral care products, and these brushes are no exception. They give you a deep clean, help prevent plaque buildup, and make your teeth feel fresh and clean, all without the hassle of traditional flossing. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. Now, if you're on the fence about these, there are a few alternatives you could consider. While the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are an excellent option, if you're looking for something a bit more affordable, you might want to try the Dentec Easy Brush or even the Sulca Brush. These are also designed for between teeth cleaning and are generally priced a bit lower. However, I'd say the quality of the GUM brushes justifies the price. Overall, the GUM Proxabrush Go-Betweens are an effective, convenient, and gentle option for anyone looking to upgrade their dental care routine. Whether you have braces, dental work, or just want to improve your hygiene, these brushes are worth considering. I highly recommend them to those looking for an easier alternative to traditional flossing that still gives you that deep clean. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments below if you've tried these brushes. I'd love to hear about your experiences.